This is Sophie here, and I'm going to walk you through how to use Khan Academy. So the first thing you need to do is open up your internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use Safari, Firefox, Internet Explorer. The top right here, I'm going to type in www.khan, K-H-A-N, Academy, A-C-A-D-E-M-Y, .o-r-g. And I'm going to press Enter. And this will take me to Khan Academy. To log in, I'm going to click on this upper right-hand corner button where it says Login. Let me try that again. There we go. Your username is your Westside Gmail account, which is your first name, the first letter of your last name, and the last 4 digits of your OSIS number. So in this example, mine is Sophie, the first letter of my last name, which is S, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the last 4 digits of my fake OSIS number, and then I finish it up with @ EARWSHS.net. Your username will be different. It will be your first name, the first letter of your last name, the last 4 digits of your OSIS at EARWSHS.net. Your password is your OSIS number. If you don't know your OSIS number for whatever reason, you can find it by looking at Pupil Path, or you can email any of your teachers. They can help you find it. And if you want to reach your algebra teachers directly, you can email us at algebra@EARWSHS.net, and one of the algebra teachers will help. All right, I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once this loads, you will see on the left side of my screen, you will see Westside Algebra 1 written kind of below your name. My mouse is circling around it to help you spot it. And below that, you will see assignments. You can click on assignments to see what's been assigned to you. If you are in geometry, your geometry class will be listed either right above Westside Algebra 1 or right below Westside Algebra 1, and you'll click there to get the geometry assignments. So I'm going to click on my algebra assignments because I'm looking at Westside Algebra 1. Okay, to work on any assignment, you just click the Start button. You can choose what order you want to do the assignments in. A few important notes. The assignments that have this triangle next to them are video assignments. You need to watch the entire video assignment without skipping ahead or trying to fast forward through anything in order to get full credit for the video assignment. When you watch the video assignment, you get 10 points in the gradebook in Pupil Path. And if you watch the entire video, which I did here for this Parabolas intro, you will see completed where the Start button would normally be. Let me show you what happens if you try to skip ahead. I'm going to pick this zero product property video. It's opening up, and I'm going to pretend that I don't really want to watch this video, so I'm going to start it, and I'm just going to skip to the end, hit play, watch the last 5 seconds or so until the video ends, slowly but surely. Okay, the video's over. I close it. This page refreshes. You see how it doesn't show up as completed? It shows as start again. That means it doesn't count the fact that I watched a few seconds of the video and skipped ahead. Okay, so most important thing to know about videos, watch the entire thing so you see completed. Any assignment with a star next to it, like this Parabolas intro or this interpret a quadratic graph, those are problem sets for you to do. When you finish an assignment with a star next to it, you'll see a grade here. So I got an 86% on Parabolas intro. And if I'm not happy with my grade, I can click this Try Again button to try and get a better grade. Now let me show you how an example assignment works. I'm going to do one I haven't started yet. So I'm going to do this zero product property here. It's a star, so I know it's a problem set, and I'm going to click on Start. It will load very slowly because my internet is a little bit slow, but bear with me here. Okay, so first things first, on the bottom right where my mouse is moving around, you can see that this assignment is just 4 problems. Most of these assignments are pretty short like that, so even though you might see a lot of assignments, they're really not so bad. Now this assignment looks like I have to solve an equation. I personally need to be able to write in order to solve an equation, so Khan Academy lets me do that. If I go down here to the lower left, there's like a pen and a squiggly thing. I can click on that, and I can choose a color, and then I can write. So I'm going to write 3x minus 6 equals 0, plus 6, plus 6, and so on and so forth. To close out of the pen, I just click that little squiggly thing again. It disappears. If you get to a problem and you're really stuck and you want a little help, you can click on this button here where it says Stuck, watch a video, or use a hint. So I'll click that, and I have 2 choices. I can either watch this video all over again, or I can click Get a Hint. If I click Get a Hint, this problem will not count towards my overall score on the assignment, so it's going to make me do 4 more problems after because I had the hint for this one. Okay, let's go back. Now, we had to put due dates on all of the assignments in Khan Academy. We know that not all of you got technology at the same time, or Wi-Fi, or weren't able to connect, or had difficulties logging in. Don't worry. But you might have some past due assignments. That's okay, you can do them now. How do you find them? Right here under My Assignments, you see Active, which is what I'm looking at, and I can click Past. When I go to Past, I can see these are all of my assignments that were due previously. Same thing as like the active assignments. The triangles are videos. If you press Start and you watch the video all the way through, it will say Completed. The stars are problem sets. If you press Start and do all the problems, you will get a grade for it. If you have any questions, the algebra teachers are available on Google Meet every day from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. And you can also email us at algebra@earwshs.net.